Okay, so I got this Winchester TS-9-EFL model safe, and nobody remembers what the combo is, but it was locked open, so I was able to take the front panel and the interior controller off of it by removing the interior panel. And when I examined the board, so this is connected to the solenoid, and this is labeled set. So I figured that's got to be the reset. So I gave it a try, and it worked. So right now I have this set. Green light, it's open. Okay, so I'm gonna let that go away. Now, when I hit the reset here, okay, so that's reset. Now it's reset to its factory condition. And we can now follow these instructions in order to program it. So we're going to enter in 6 zeros. Then we enter in the existing combo. Okay, we got the red light. I'm going to enter in a new combo. And again. Now if I type it in, there you go. So there's the secret right there. It's inside the safe.